Step 1. Connect these 3 boards with wooden pins and ensure tight installation. Step 2. Attach the support crossbars to the board with screws B. Note: please use shorter screws. Please do not tighten the screws at this stage, as further adjustments will be needed later. Step 3. Align the pre-opening on the legs with the slots in the crossbar and snap them into place. However, if the leg do not snap into place easily, don't worry. Simply adjust the crossbar slightly. Move it left, right, forward or backward, until it aligns properly and locks into position. But if the parts do not fit due to deformed slots, please contact us immediately. The correct installation ensures that the brackets and panels fit together seamlessly. Step 3. Attach the legs to the board with screws A. Note: please use the longer screws. Once properly adjusted, tighten all the screws securely. Attach the anti-slip pads and complete the installation.